Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. With this tutorial we will continue with this project, our cookies Greta. We already made the turban and with this video I want to teach you how to make the dress. In the next video tutorial I will teach you how to make the shoes. Then I hope you are ready and you already made the base body and the turban. For the dress, I will use two colors yarn, aqua color yarn and lilac color yarn. Depend on the color that you want to use for this outfit. I'm using Sinfonia brand yarn for all these projects. Depend on the yarn that you use for the base body, I recommend that you use the same yarn. This one is 100% cotton yarn. It's about 3 millimeters and has like 6 threads. We will need just a few materials, okay? The yarn, not too much yarn. With this that you can see will be enough. Lilac and aqua color yarn. Also, you can remove this dress, you can remove everything on this doll. With this yarn, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. We need scissors, wool needle, and Velcro. Velcro is for close the dress. With that material, it's very easy for the girls play with this doll. This Velcro already comes with glue, but in real life you can use whatever Velcro that you prefer, or if you want to use another accessory, you can also do it. But this one I really recommend. See on the description below and you can find on our favorite items on Amazon that Velcro or another similar Velcros that will be good to use with this dress. Then I'm hoping you are ready to continue with this project, Cookies Greta. Starting using aqua color yarn, we will start on round 1 with a slip knot. You can leave a long thread on the beginning and will be easy to hide it. Then after the slip knot, 32 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and just continue doing chains until you are 32. After 32 chains, we will start on the chain number 3 from the hook, making 30 double crochet. We need make 30 double crochet. The first double crochet, the second one, and just continue doing double crochet until you are 30 and finish all the chains. On round 2, starting with 1 chain. If you want to start with 2, will be okay. Then turn the piece and we will start this round with 4 double crochet increase. The first one, and we need 3 more. Two, 3, and 4. Then skip 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And in the next one, starting making 8 double crochet increase. 1 double crochet, 1 more in the same base. This is the first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, skip 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in the next one, let's make 4 double crochet increase. This is the first one, 2, 3 and one more, 4. Then we already finished this round with 32 stitches. On round 3, 1 chain 2 up, turn the piece, and let's repeat 8 times all round. 1 chain, turn the piece, and 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 and 3, and now 1 double crochet increase. Just continue repeating 3 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase all round. It's 8 times in total. Then we will finish this round with 40 stitches. On round 4, 1 chain, turn, and 40 double crochet. 1 in each double crochet on the previous round. 1, 2, and just continue doing double crochet until finish this round. On round 5, again 1 chain and 40 double crochet. 1, 2, just continue doing double crochet until you are 40, and I will teach you how to close this round. Just make 1 slip stitch on the first double crochet on this round. Then we will finish this round again with 40 stitches. On round 6, 1 chain, and now we will work just taking the front loops. On the first front loops, 1 double crochet, just the front loops, and in the next loop 1 double crochet increase, just continue repeating, just taking the front loops, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase. Repeat the same all around, 20 times in total. And then let's finish this round with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet on this round. We already finished this round with 60 stitches. On round 7, 1 chain, and in the next stitch 1 slip stitch, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch. Just repeat the same all round 60 times in total. 1 chain and 1 slip stitch, and will be the end on this detail. Then at the end, 1 chain and 1 slip stitch on the slip stitch that you used for close the previous round. Just cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for hide it. Put it to the back and a little down, and then at the same time that you made the next detail, you can hide and secure this thread. It's just a tips. You can do it, or you can hide it using a wool needle. Then now we will use the lilac color yarn, and we will work on the back loop that we leave free there. Insert the hook on the first back loop, get the lilac color yarn. Remember, at the same time you can hide this thread, lilac color yarn. Then starting with 1 chain, 1 chain, and in the same base we will start to do 40 double crochet, taking that loop. Sorry. One double crochet, 2, 3. Just continue doing double crochet all around until you are 40. Don't worry about that thread because you cannot see that later. Then at the end, 1 slip stitch on the first double crochet on this round. Don't worry about that. Close. Round 9. 1 chain. On this round we will work only on the front loops. Then repeat 1 double crochet, just taking the front loops, and in the next loop 1 double crochet increase. Repeat exactly the same all round 20 times in total, and at the end we will close with the slip knot. Just make the slip knot on the first double crochet and we will finish this round with 60 stitches. On round 10, 1 chain and 1 slip stitch again. 1 chain, 1 slip stitch is the detail on the border. Finish with 1 chain and 1 slip stitch on the slip stitch that we used to close the previous round. Put it to the back, a little down, and you can hide it and secure it now when you made another detail. We need 3, 4, 5, as many pieces like this you prefer. I'm showing you on the subtitle again from round 8 to 10. Just repeat exactly the same as many times as you prefer. I'm just repeat the same one more time. Remember, use again aqua color yarn or the color that you select. Insert the hook, get this color yarn, 1 chain, and in the same base start doing 40 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, just continue doing double crochet until you are 40 and finish the round with 1 slip stitch on the first double crochet on this round. After that, make the round 9 and then round 10. That's it. Just make sure that you made enough pieces like that as you prefer, and the dress can be longer or short than this one. Put it to the back and secure and hide it. I'm already made that. The dress is almost ready, and I'm saying almost because we need to put the Velcro. Just pay close attention and you can see how to put Velcro. Is easy. Also, this one coming with the glue, but if you have another one that doesn't have the glue, then just use a silicone glue, something like that, and will be okay. With the turban, I'm use another one that doesn't have the glue. You can see now, and it's easy to put the turban and just stay there. It's easy for the babies, and it's up to you. Everything you can put it using that, or you can close permanent, however you prefer will be okay. Then just make the union. Then this dress is ready. Remember, in the next video tutorial we will make the shoes. I hope and you really like our cookies, Greta, because we will continue making accessories, outfits, and everything for this cute amigurumi. Then don't forget, please, if you haven't subscribed on this channel, do it and activate the bell and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end and see you on the next video tutorial. Bye!